Tika. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. I'm Taffany and I want to welcome you to Tika's Gardens. This morning, Tika and I are out just kind of wandering around the garden. I'm looking at what needs to be done, and I think I've put together my own little schedule of things I want to accomplish today. One of the main things is that I want to get the other half of that second raised bed that I started working on filled so I can get another tomato in ground. I want to really get these beds done so I can get my planting started. Well, I've already started planting, but so I can get the rest of everything else planted and get them going. But one thing I do want to kind of point out away from gardening is Tika right here. This rock, she loves to come over here and sit on this rock and look up into the tree. A lot of times there are squirrels that are sitting on the fence or at the tree, and I don't know if she's staring at them and they're staring back, or they're teasing each other. I don't know what it is, but they sit there and look at her and she looks at them. But one thing I do want to point out to you while I'm over here and I'm talking about the squirrels and Tika, if you notice all these leaves in our yard, this tree right here has been dropping leaves as though it is fall. And when you look up into the tree, it's like the leaves are browning instead of, staying there. This tree does not lose its leaves during the cold weather. It stays, evergreen, I guess you could say. So I don't know what kind of tree it is, but it doesn't lose its leaves. But right now it's dropping leaves like it is a deciduous tree and it is fall. And seeing that a lot of the leaves are brown, I'm wondering if the tree is dying, has a health issue or something like that. But that's off topic. Anyway, let's get back to gardening. As you can see here, I have daffodils that are starting to bloom, and these verbena are really looking good. I planted them last spring and they survived through the winter, but they didn't look like this last year. They were kind of puny and sad looking, but this year they're starting out strong and they're looking happy. And I'm pleased to see that my daffodils are coming up. Even some that I didn't think were going to come back, they're coming up. I'm still missing some. I'm not seeing the others come up, but at least I didn't lose all of them. Okay, guys, so this is the bed. If you remember, this is the one that we planted just a few days ago. And so we're going to get this side filled up today. I hope I have enough. I went and got some more broken bags, and so hopefully it will be enough to fill this up. So let's get started. Alright guys, well I am done filling the beds and I got another tomato planted, so let's take a look at what we have so far. Okay guys, the planting is done. I've got 4 tomatoes in here right now, and let me see if I can tell you which ones they are. The front 2 tomatoes, this one right here, and that one, those 2 are patio tomatoes, and they grow 13 to 30 inches tall. And then the back, I have, let me see, a husky cherry red and another celebrity, no, a champion I believe it is. Let me look at the label if I can find it. Okay guys, I've got my packages here so I have it right. This one is another husky cherry red, just like this one that we planted here. So there's 2 husky cherry reds, and the other one is a celebrity plus tomato. So the celebrity plus grows 36 to 48 inches, and the husky cherry red grows 24 to 48 inches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomato plants planted, and there's more to go. So we'll get more stuff planted as we fill up these other beds here. So that was some tough work digging all that mulch, but it is done. I'm happy, and that is definitely it for the day. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Take care.